Hi, this is to introduce our paper on the effectiveness of restarting local search. This research was done together with Mark Wallace, who is here with me, and Markus Wagner from the University of Adelaide. And my name is Aldeida Aleti. We started doing this research to investigate the premature convergence of local search algorithms, and in particular looking at different restart strategies. And in this paper, we introduced a new property, which is called Neighbours with similar fitness, which will later show that it impacts the effectiveness of different restart strategies.
So the idea of neighbour similar fitness was really to formalize the concept, kind of minimal conditions under which local search works in combinatorial optimization problems that arise in planning and scheduling and transport. So taking the example of the TSP, the traveling salesman problem, a two-swap neighbor of a solution is one where a subsequence of the cities in the first route are traveled in the reverse direction in the new one. So different subsequences may have very different outcomes in terms of the length of the trip. So, and two neighbors of a point of a solution may be very different. So what we're doing in neighbor similar fitness is not imposing a maximum difference between any pair of neighbors, but looking at the probability of the difference between two neighbors and saying that the probability reduces with the increasing distance between pairs of neighbors. The other slight complication of this is because there are very few solutions near the optimum, for example, the probability also depends on the density of solutions at each fitness level. So it's a relative probability relative to the density of fitness solutions. So that's the idea of neighbor similar fitness, which is illustrated in our poster.
This property makes no assumptions of the neighborhood operator and is quite different from other properties that have been introduced in fitness landscape characterization. And in this paper, we give a few examples on how this property manifests itself in different combinatorial optimization problems. In the future, we're hoping to investigate this property further and how when particular problems have this property, we will show that different restart strategies may not be as effective, and for example, perturbation may not be as effective, and more restart strategies that introduce larger changes may be needed. So thank you, and we hope you enjoy reading our paper, and please stay tuned for future research in this area.